Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Okay. Next one up here is our preferences. I'm going to click in here. We'll spend a little bit of time here today. Okay. Then we're going to jump down to admin, I believe, and under options, default PDF viewer. So we have Bluebeam, we love Bluebeam, and we're going to set that to be our default viewer. You're going to go and click here. It's going to open up your computer settings. This is the computer setting, not a Bluebeam setting. And you're going to scroll down. You're going to come in here, search by app. And you want to go in, look for a PDF. Oh, sorry. You're going to search by file type. So here we're going to do PDF. Select that. It's going to bring us to that one. And then if it's set to Adobe or some other viewer, you're going to select that. It will know that Bluebeam is installed, so you can select that. And now all of your PDF icons are going to change to the blue instead of red or anything like that. And it's going to automatically open up in Bluebeam if it's a PDF. So if you double click in an email or whatever the case may be, it's going to open it in Bluebeam like we want it to. So that's that one. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.